Hello everyone, this is Melanie from Melanie B's Creative Studio, and today I have a paint by number kit from a company called Colorelaxation.com. They reached out to me to try their kits, and they have diamond paintings and paint by numbers. So I actually chose a paint by number because I have not done enough paint by number videos for you guys lately, and I haven't done enough legit or scams this year. So I am going to do a video on their paint by number today, and I'm also going to do a separate video on their diamond paintings. So today we're going to talk about this kit, and let's open this up and talk about it, and I'm going to show you what the design is first. One day my entire home is going to be covered up in boats and canoes and ships and coastal scenes, and I live in the mountains. But there's no reason I can't have boats. No reason. Some of these are lakes. I can do what I want. It's my house, right? Okay, let's talk about what's in this kit. So let's talk about the company for just a second. I think originally they were a diamond painting company, and they have recently added paint by number kits. So I know this company's been around for years, and they have earned the reputation of being around for years. So they do have that behind them, which means they're not a brand new company that's just testing the market or anything like that. They have had diamond paintings out for a while, and when I open the diamond painting kits and show you those, you're going to see that they have branded their boxing. They have a totally different feel for their diamond painting kits. So I feel like these are going to be coming along as well very soon. Their paint by number kits are just at a different level of introduction than their diamond painting kits. We have our rolled canvas, we have our 3 blue paint brushes, and we also have our bag of paints, which we've seen before, that are going to be numbered by color with a color code stamped on the top, and then we're going to have our number stickers. I will take these and swatch these, as you know, because I need to test for quality. Paints have to be the best quality for me. That makes or breaks a kit for me. So let's talk about the canvas first. We'll come back to the paints. We'll look at the palette, because you know it's going to be complete and utter yummy deliciousness, because I wouldn't have chosen it otherwise. So let's set this aside and let's talk about this canvas. We do have our foam sword core. You see what I'm saying? Like, that does not hurt, but boy, does it sound good when you smack a grandkid or a kid with it. Sounds awesome. They love these things. Love them. For those of you who have not seen my foam sword war video with my husband and my grandchild, you will not understand this until you see that video. So you got to go check it out. It was just for fun, but it was cute. All right, check it out. Okay, that's just a bonus, y'all. That's just a bonus in your kit if you have kids. All right. Tinted canvas. A lot of people don't understand the tinted canvas. I personally really like them for a couple of reasons. If I'm working with number 14, then I can see number 14s because it's tinted similarly in other areas. Well, that was not a good choice because there's only one number 14. Let's pick a different color, okay? Let's say number 21. If I like number 21 and I'm working on 21, I can be like, oh, 21, 21, 21. You see what I'm saying? So it's a nice way to kind of find that color or that number while you're painting. It's not something I'm like, oh, if it's not tinted, I won't paint it or anything like that. It's just a nice little feature. It doesn't really help your paint cover better or anything like that. You can still put down white or gray as your primer if your paint is not covering with great opacity or anything. It doesn't really affect that. It just, for me, is better for me to find the numbers that I'm looking for. Now you'll notice wrinkly canvas, right? The thinner canvases do that, but they also stretch nicely. I know I've mentioned this a lot. Moving on. Oh, dark numbers, kind of large. So, you know, that might be something that we have to work on to cover if the paints aren't completely opaque. But we will be testing those to find out. Ooh, pretty. What a pretty palette. It's just got so many blues in it. One thing about a palette with a lot of blues is that most of the time that means nice opacity. Now, paints like this, these blues like this, and I said blues can be great with opacity, but some of these little bugs right here, they can be a pain in our butts because they can be that glazy kind that'll be like streaky and you're like, put your clothes back on. But yeah, we can see through your undies. But those, you know, we will prep for those. But I'm not going to assume anything until I try these. I'm crossing my fingers, you know, but for those of you who have not seen my 3 Shades of Grey video, you guys, it is a must-have video. I'm going to put it right here for you guys to click. Now, there might be a little I for information. You might have to click it, and then it'll drop down that video, and you got to click on it. But you guys have to watch it. Instead of using white Sharpie for every color, this is a game-changing video. You have to see it. So anyway, that is if you have translucent or transparent paints. We may not have that situation here, but it's for every other paint kit you ever get, ever in the future. It will be your game-changing tool, okay? So be watching for that. I am gonna swatch these paints though, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna talk about this particular palette and this particular kit, and we're gonna talk about color relaxation and whether I think their paint by number kits are great, and I will be back with that. Stay tuned. Alrighty, I am back and I have swatched the paints from this beauty right here from Color Relaxation. And what did I find? So, beautiful palette. And again, we had lots of blues in this palette. And, you know, I love swatching blues because even though there can be some streakers in there, we have usually a lot of opaque paints. This one had some yellows and orange, which can be a little bit sketchy sometimes, so I just never know. But let's see how they did. So I had 23 paints overall, and the ones that are going to give us a little trouble are going to be number 5, which is the white, is a semi-opaque. Number 9 is going to be that autumn yellow booger that that is always a pain in my butt. So I'm going to get out my light gray paint, and as I have shown you on the Technique Tuesday about 3 shades of gray, that's what I'm going to use to prime with when I paint this kit. Let's see, the only other one, let's see, I think this number 14, this bright orange, is another one that I will prime with a light gray. So the rest of these were beautiful. None of the blues ended up being streaky like I was afraid they would be. They were beautiful. The coverage was great for the rest of them. So yay, Color Relaxation. Happy, happy, happy. And as far as legit or scam, this company is legit. I have an affiliate link in the bottom for you guys as well. And there is also a promo code. So I will give you guys a promo code for this company. So when you go shopping, don't forget to use it. And make sure you use the link as well. And you guys, don't forget to check out their diamond paintings. And I will be back later with a diamond painting video, and we will take a look at those as well. Be sure to comment about what you think of this kit and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Join me on Facebook and all of my other social media, which I will leave below in the description. And that's all for today. Thanks as always for watching. I will see you back soon.